Ever wonder why no matter how hard you try, you keep slipping back into porn? Stay with me. I'll show you simple steps that have helped countless people take back control. Nothing extreme, just changes you can actually stick with. Right now, you're stuck in that same loop. You give in, you feel the hit, and then the guilt and exhaustion follow. The next day, you promise yourself, never again. But the urge sneaks back. That's not who you are. That's just your brain repeating an old habit. And the good part? Habits can be broken. Your brain can reset. Each small step you take weakens the cycle and builds your strength back. Freedom isn't far, it's closer than you think. Step 1, clear the triggers. Delete the pages, unfollow accounts, and keep your phone out of reach at night. Fewer triggers mean fewer urges. Step 2, shift the energy. When the urge comes, don't sit and fight it. Move, do a quick workout, splash water on your face, step outside. Action breaks the loop. Step 3, give your brain a better reward. Pick one thing that excites you: fitness, skills, even building your confidence. Every time you work on it, your brain learns to crave that instead. Follow this daily, and you'll notice the fog lifting, the urges losing power, and your confidence coming back. That's when you realize you're finally in control again.